In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M12a printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please directly proceed here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet Pro M12 or M12a printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard. Once you've clicked it, you will be able to see a list of results. Please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com. Click on this link and eventually you'd be navigated to a new page where you can see this printer driver. Once you're here, okay, you need to go with detected operating system. Click on this choose the different OS, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and then you need to click on update to set it. Once you have set the Windows 11 as your selected operating system, you need to scroll down and locate for driver product installation software, and eventually you'd be able to see the software and drivers. So please click on this download button aligning to it, and the moment you've clicked on it, you can eventually start the downloading process. Okay, so please wait until it would be downloaded. Once it is being downloaded, in my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then please wait until it would be downloaded successfully. Once done, navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it, and eventually you'll be able to see this exe file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cut icon, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click here and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So by that you need to navigate here in the WinRAR and go with extract to. So in that moment you would be able to extract it. Please wait until a new file folder would be created and that is the time that we will now start the installation. Okay, so once a new file folder here, before we proceed to the installation, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Okay, so by that you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click here, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. And here in this setting, you need to locate for printers and scanners. And in this section, please proceed with add device. The moment you click on it, you would be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer. Please click on it and in a few moments, you would be able to open a new window like this. So please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. However, if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. Once you've set that, click on next here, go with have disk and click on the browse. And we need to navigate to the desktop since our extracted file has been placed there. Scroll down and navigate to the extracted file, double tapped, and then scroll down again and locate the driver. So it will show here three drivers. Select any of that. Okay, so click on open and click on the OK button here. And you need to locate for M12A. Once you find it, please click on next and click on next and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M12a printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.